आज का हमारा टॉपिक है आंवला की सिंगल ड्रग। उसमें पहला आता है आंवला की स्वरसा। स्वरसा मीन्स एक पंचविधि कषाय कल्पना है। स्वरसा सिंपल तरीके से उसे हम जूस कह सकते हैं। स्वरसा इज प्रिपेयर्ड स्वरसा इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय यूजिंग अ फ्रेश ड्रग्स दैट इज पाउंडेड इन द खलवा यंत्र एंड जूस इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड। हम आंवला की स्वरस देख रहे हैं। इंग्रेडिएंट्स आंवला की पल्प दैट इज आंवला की का फल इंग्रेडिएंट के तौर से चाहिए। Procedure of making Amlaki Swarasa. First, Amlaki fruit is collected, followed by Prakshalana, that is washing with the help of water. Amlaki is cut into pieces, divide of seeds, taken into a khalva yantra, pounded until juice consistency is obtained. Juice is extracted, filtered through a cloth. The obtained Swarasa is Amlaki Swarasa. Anupana. Anupana means it is taken along with it. Amlaki Swarasa is taken along with honey, that is Shodra, Haridra Churna, that is Haridra. Curcumin. Pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics is a process in which what does drug to the body. First, it acts as hepatoprotective effects. It produces hepatoprotective effects, that is by detoxification of liver. When Amlaki Swarasa is taken orally, it gets absorbed through an GIT. Then through absorption it goes to a liver. It detoxifies the liver. With the help of detoxification, it protects the liver and hepatic cells. Antimicrobial effects, that means it prevents the growth of microorganism. Anti means opposite. Anti-inflammatory, because of due to presence of vitamin C in the amlaki, it acts as immunobooster. These are the mainly some kind of functions done by amlaki into our body. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics involves absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. First, absorption. Usually, Amlaki Swarasa is taken orally, absorbed through GIT. Next, distribution. Once absorption is done, it mixes with the blood and distributed to various tissues and various parts of the body. Metabolites. Metabolism. Later, Amlaki and Haridra are converted into primary metabolites. Next process is excretion. It is excreted either through a kidney, that is through a urine, or through a GIT through feces.